everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video I just want to share with you my Dollar Tree haul, and this is all the things that I'm going to do. I'm not selling Easter baskets this year, but I do want to show you guys that are selling gift baskets of what's going on in Dollar Tree. Around here, Dollar Tree and Walmart are the best things going. They always have everything that I need. You know, I'm not up for going all around town. I appreciate those that do shop like that. And but me, I'm able to find everything that I need at Dollar Tree for $1 and then now $1.25. So let's see. And I'm not a parent, so when I buy Easter stuff, it's for kids in the family or kids in the neighborhood or like someone I skate with, you know, their kids and stuff like that. So I want you parents, you know, if you have time at the end of this video, tell me how I did. You know, these are young kids. Probably everybody's under 12, I'm going to say. Some of the girls are growing up. So first let me show you these items here. We got this Easter cookie decorating set. The kit includes ready-to-use sugar, pearls, and sprinkles. One cookie. And then they have the mini. It's the flower prowler. That book is so cute. And since I'm into flowers and I do flower arrangements, I want the recipient to, you know, just get a little feel for flowers and start getting them, you know, stoking their creative juices. And this is a Mickey jumbo coloring and activity book. These are really cute. Okay, so we have that. And I found a fashion designer activity set for Barbie. It's a Barbie brand. So I tried to get mostly name brand stuff. Then they have these cute little balls. They like to play with balls. You guys with kids, y'all know. But, you know, this isn't, you know, I don't buy toys and stuff for kids every day. Now I got those, I did a haul on my LOL gift bags that I got, and I found two more of each. I found two more of the Mickey and I found two more of the LOL. So I wanted to get LOL stuff and Disney stuff. So here's for the LOL bag, I have the jumbo coloring activity book. I think I'm going to put the fashion book with that, fashion set. And then there's this cute activity, this cute kite, an LOL surprise kite here. That's cute. 22 inches. And this is what it looks like. That's the kite. So that's going to go in the LOL bag. And most of the Disney stuff is going to go in the Disney bag. So since I'm showing you bags, I'm going to be jumping all over the place. And then they have these bags. They have them like with that really screaming Easter. But I picked the one that just had, you know, this had, I didn't notice that they had the eggs on there. I wanted to use these for Mother's Day. I didn't realize they look so Easterish now. So, you know, it has a little paper bottom. It gives it more stability. So if you see these, see stuff like this, these are options. You know, in the store, and I had my mask on. I don't think I don't like see things straight when I have my mask on. But all I saw was like flowers, and I didn't really see the eggs there. That's still cute though. So if you're in a pinch and just want to set up some cute little quick gifts, because you may be able to, like on your table, you know, have us a few little gifts in some clear cello wrap, and so that the clients, the customers can see, and then just drop it in one of these bags, and have, you know, have all these colors already set up on the table, so it's functional and it adds decor. Okay, got more of these little bunnies. Got the pink bunny, green bunny. And then here is a paint. This is a sun catcher's paint set. And this is a mini. That's going to go in my Minnie Mouse bag. Not now. It wasn't Easter in our house unless I got one of these. As a kid, I needed my little batting ball, my paddle ball. We call them batting balls. We were like killing it. So I got one of these. I had to get one. Had to. And then here's the Disney Princess jump rope. And that's going to go into the Disney bag. I'm on my camera, so I really don't know how close up it's going to capture things. Like I have my phone, my cell phone nailed. I know what to do with that, but with this phone. So that's cute. Oh, and this is going into the LOL bag. This is an art activity set. So I love promoting creativity in the arts. So that's cute. So that's gonna go. So LOL, they're gonna get the kite. They're gonna get the this activity set. They got this book. They got the fashion set. And then let's see. I showed you guys the bags. And then I'm gonna put some snacks in it. Oh, I didn't show you. Then they're each going to get, the LOL cereal. LOL Surprise by General Mills. This is a family size. And just collect all 3 digital rewards. This is really cute. So each bag is going to get cereal. And they're going to get a rainbow goldfish box. Going to get some cotton candy. Peeps. I love Peeps. I love Peeps. I'm one of those people. I like fruit cake too. So, but I would just tear these up. Now, you know, with me watching Blood Sugar, I can't eat a Peep to save my life. Okay, so got to have the Reese's peanut butter egg. And I don't break them up. They get the 4-pack. They get all 4. They get a whole bag of jelly beans. And a whole bag of Easter milk chocolate eggs. And then I still got those other little rabbit chocolate bunnies or whatever. Then we got these mermaid fruit snacks. I opened it up. You guys have seen these. There's only like 3 or 4 in there in the pack. There's a cute mermaid. And then they'll get some Bear Graham cookies. And some Kool-Aid. So that's how we did Easter growing up. It was just like Halloween, sugar overload, a lot of treats and snacks. And you know, I didn't show you this. This is so cute. They had a basketball, these little basketballs, and they had soccer balls. I didn't like that blue on the soccer balls, but these basketballs are cute. So, because I have some sports themed baskets and stuff. And I didn't show you guys, these are gift bags. Now these are for me, these are for Easter brunch, and I'm going to put snacks and treats in there for guests for each place setting. And then these eggs here, speckled eggs. And I have some really good ones I got from Hobby Lobby, but they're packed away. I don't feel like unpacking them this year, so I'll just use these. These will be probably going on a tablescape or something. Okay, so guys, that is everything. So I just want to share with you guys, if you're, a lot of my subscribers, they're working and they may not be able to get out early in the day. So these are some things that, you know, are out there and they're going fast. So, you know, if anything appeals to you, you know, try to get in there as soon as you can, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe. I want to say hello and welcome to all of my new subscribers. And I appreciate all of my all of my tastemakers. Anyone that hits that subscribe button is a posh partner. And I want to thank you so much. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom.